Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss that how reading helps, and this is one of the most important topic I would say, because reading is something that is not just stick to cat. Obviously it's a part of our 100 days series, but you will understand everything after this video. So cat prep is not just about solving mocks. Reading is one habit that helps in exam, in interviews, in MBA, and even in your career. And the best part is you don't have to read all day. I know many of you hate reading and you just avoid it by seeing some videos, or reading is just not for you and you think that you're not good with English or something like that. But just 30 minutes, guys, 30 minutes daily is enough if you know how to do it right. So first, let's understand why reading is crucial. Cat VARC, reading is most important for the section. It improves comprehension, it improves your vocabulary, the way you talk, the way you speak, and the speed for RCs, as discussed earlier in my VARC video. Reading is very important when it comes to your GD PI interviews. You cannot do ki next week you have your GD or PI, so start reading now. No, this is not the case, and if you will rely so much on that time, it won't happen. It helps you express opinions clearly and confidently at that point of time, and for that you have to build your base. So reading is very important for that. Now, for the perspective, if I see myself as an MBA student, it's very important for MBA and career. You'll handle case studies, you'll have 40 to 50 pages of cases that you have to read in just an hour. So it is very important that you have a reading habit. It will help you read reports, client presentations where clear reading and thinking matter. So it's not just for your 30 November exam, but it's very crucial for your career too. So reading, it is not optional, it's a core skill. Now, I would suggest you some sources. There are many, but I will tell what I definitely loved. So the first is The Hindu. I cannot even tell you that how much this single newspaper is helpful for you guys. Like, it is so good. It helps you build your communication in a way that it has so talented people writing articles over there that it gives you a core idea of the topic. You relate to it, you start generating your opinions. It is best for analysis, plus it builds your writing style too. I used to make flashcards. That is basically when I used to read an article of The Hindu, I used to write at least 10 words from that article which are new to me, or maybe I have just listened and it is very good and it can be used in daily conversations, or it's a common type of word which will occur again and again, and then I used to write one line meaning of that word from the dictionary, not dictionary that you think, the dictionary app, the website of dictionary. You get their one liners and you can just write it and read it. When to read, you can just you are in the bus, you can read that flashcard of 10 words. If you're traveling by metro, or maybe just waiting at the bus station or something like that. The second source would be Mint or Economic Times. You can use for business and economy GK. It is very good. I started reading Economic Times when I was in standard 11th. My mama told me to do that, and it is such a good newspaper that helps you build your current affairs skill, not just for GK or current affairs, but it helps your business understanding development. Now, you also have many tools that can help you build if you don't want to read, but I would not suggest, because it is not good if you just see videos. So stick to quality over quantity. A few solid resources I have shared, and that is very good if you have a really good time and you want to read more. So one long form article you can read from the Aeon or Project Syndicate. Yes, Project Syndicate. If you don't want to, you can totally skip it. I was just relying on the Economic Times and the Hindu, and it was so good for me. I am a finance enthusiast, so I used to read FinShorts. That is again a website. If you subscribe to it, is totally free. If you subscribe, click on subscribe, you will get daily mails. Whenever FinShort will post an article daily in the morning, it will just take your 10 minutes to read it, and you'll help a good understanding of finance. That I used because I loved it. You can totally skip this if you're not into finance or you don't want to be. I loved it, so I read. Now, don't read word by word. Focus on the main idea of each paragraph. Use skimming trick, that is, read the first two lines very carefully, glide through examples, data, watch out for transition word like however, but, therefore. After finishing, ask yourself, what is the author trying to say? For personal interview prep, note 1 to 2 key takeaways from each article. Now, you don't have to think that you're really giving personal interviews for CAT. Just imagine after completing that article, someone asks you a question. So, are you able to answer that or not? This way, 30 minutes daily, CAT prep plus interview prep plus career prep plus every prep you're reading is so important. So reading is just not for CAT, it's a life skill. Start small, 30 minutes a day. I did it, you can do it too. That's it. Thank you guys. If you are enjoying my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I post a new video and you get to see that. Thank you.